particular requests, let us know.
Questions, comments, concerns.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of concerns. The answer to all your concerns is just, let's all love each other and be patient. Here we go. This is a song we recorded for Walker Lucan's Song Confessional podcast. I asked for another way home. You say there's just one way to go. God, I hope that isn't true. Looks like I'm living a lie. I think I did everything to try, but there's not much I didn't do. I'm going up and up and up and up. I'm going in. I'm going up and up and up and up. I'm going in. I know there's more to this life. Too many knots to untie, but I know you got what it takes. Looks like I'm living a lie. I think I did everything to try, and I know how much that it takes. I'm going up and up and up and up. I'm going in. I'm going up and up and up and up. I'm going in. You know that I love, but it wasn't enough, and I'll see you all again. You know that I love, but it wasn't enough. Still, I'll see you all again. I'm going up and up and up and up. I'm going in. I'm going up and up and up and up. I'm going in. I'm going up and up and up and up. I'm going in. I'm going up and up and up and up. I'm going in. Love you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, we got a couple requests for Reno.
All right.
Let's do Reno.
You're the boss, applesauce.
We got lots of love from Brazil. That's amazing. Glad you're here. Welcome. Come visit us in Austin when that's a good thing to do. When it's okay. Reno and Trillo talk. Okay.
I'm on it. I'm hip to the beat.
Hip to the beat of the music we write. Okay. Here, per request, here's Reno. Late night, driving long past the sunrise. I know you're feeling it too. There's no end to this road, but it's alright. I know my home is with you. I can't say why I'm acting this way. Oh darling, who knows where I called? I knew you weren't awake. Late nights on the road, didn't hear you call. Damn, I hope you catch me when I fall. I know your mind goes running wild, but I'm always at your door. You treat me like a child, 'cause I've run before. But when they dim those city lights, could search the whole world round. Always know my heart is in your hometown. Go goes down, and I can just feel the calm down. This whiskey helps when it hurts. 9 miles on the road south of Reno, I still see your face at each turn. Oh, sometimes these long nights ease my troubled mind, help me forget about the pretty things I left behind. Late nights on the road, didn't hear you call. Damn, I hope you catch me when I fall. I know your mind goes running wild, but I'm always at your door. You treat me like a child, 'cause I've run before. But when they dim those city lights, could search the whole world around. Always know my heart is in your hometown. Late night driving long past the sunrise, I know you're feeling it too. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, we've got some lovely. I've missed seeing you guys live. We have missed playing live so much. Very grateful for this opportunity to connect with you all right now.
All around the world too.
All around the world. It's so cool. Yeah, traveling from city to city and gathering people for music is like the worst possible thing you could do right now. So we're not gonna do it, but we are going to do things like this and try and connect. And we're writing another record for you guys that will be out
Next year.
So
We've been writing it in here in this room,
yeah, we have.
along with anything else you could possibly think of.
Okay, so more requests. I'm gonna go to this. Oh, that one? You started playing one.
What was it?
What was it? That sounded like oh, I'm so glad.
Oh, bullets.
Oh, bullets. Do you want to? I mean, you started playing it with your fingers. Maybe your brain wanted to hear it.
If I remember it, let's find out.
I love. This is called Google Wild Child, so that you can learn the lyrics to your own song because you've been in quarantine for 8 months. Got it. Oh, I'm so glad you found a cure. It was so sad when you were sure. I know you think we need to talk. You say those regrets will burn a hole in my black and withered soul. Gonna think I'm wicked when I walk. Long nights I'll get sad that you're gone, but I'm still smiling with the sun. I knew your bullets wouldn't stop. Hey, I know you think I took a lot from you. Ba-da-da-ba, ba-da-da. I bet you think I don't like running too. Ba-da-da-ba-da. I know I said that I would call you soon. Ba-da-da-ba. I bet you thought that I would come for you. Oh, years go by, we change so quick. I guess my skin has gotten thick. I just know time will always mend. I know it was great when I was good. Still I can't love you like I should. My heart is broke, so we can bend. Long nights I'll get sad that you're gone, but I'm still smiling with the sun. I knew your bullets wouldn't end. Hey, I bet you think I took a lot from you. Ba-da-da-ba, that's y'all's part. I know you think I don't like running too. Ba-da-da-ba, I know I said that I would call you soon. Here comes Jack on the horn. Da-da-da. I know I think I took a lot from you. took a lot from you. Ba-da-da-ba, ba-da-da. I bet you think I don't like running too. Ba-da-da-ba, I know I said that I would call you soon. Ba-da-da-ba, ba-da-da. I bet you thought that I would come for you. Yeah. Just realized you weren't in the cut on Instagram. We're all zoomed in.
Well,
Okay, what are we gonna do next? We love doing requests, so we never write set lists because we just want to do what you guys want to hear. Okay. You guys are just saying really nice things, and
What are they
it's
saying? I just
really
wanna read
wonderful. Bullets is such a good song. Hashtag awesome. All these names that I recognize. Oof.
I like the delay on there.
Yeah.
Let's see when's that gonna happen.